So at Poseidon's Forge, we're really big on making the vehicle modular,
Mm-hmm.
using building blocks to define the vehicle. How are we going to do that in the software as well?
So at the core of the building blocks, I guess, the foundational elements is really focused on reliability, right?
Okay.
Doing the maneuver pieces, right, is one example. And then what we're doing is setting that kind of layered architecture, that foundational architecture, to allow these building blocks or stackable higher level components to sit on top of it,
Mm-hmm.
right? And so what I mean by that is that if you have a solid foundation and you want to add a new high level autonomy component, it's very easy to do that, right? Those interfaces are exposed. You don't have to worry about, is the vehicle, when I tell it to turn left, is it going to turn left?
Yeah.
Right? And that's really what our driving force is really focused on the reliability upon the core of the foundation of the architecture. Yeah, and it really scales into, for operators that want to add their own DVL or
Okay.
their own, payload or whatever it is, right? And this building block architecture allows pieces to be swapped in and out,
Mm.
right?
Yeah. So if
So
I'm a customer and I have my own DVL that I don't want you to know about, like, can I still integrate it essentially?
yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And it's not just that, it's hardware components all the way to software components. If someone else wanted to replace the driving aspect or the mission planning aspect, they can pull that piece out because all those interfaces are exposed.
Okay.
And so as long as you can take that, conceptual design that you have, and fit it into the vehicle, whether that's hardware or software, the building block architecture allows you to kind of plug and play.